Where do we start? So, first thing to do is probably to introduce my partner Chris. Say hello.
Hello.
Legend. I'm going to spend the year with him and it's going to be, that was so shit. I cannot, help me, please help me. I don't know how to do this. I'm pleading. How to become a YouTuber, part 4000. Hello. Oh, car's coming. Sit. This is probably the first video you guys are gonna see because so much has gone wrong and it's actually taking the piss now. For example, the first lot of videos I did when I got to India were all in the wrong like aspect ratio. So for YouTube and for the editing software you have to have it in 16:9, whereas the videos I was recording were 4:3. So that was the first thing that went wrong. We fixed that problem out. I started recording more videos and lo and behold the quality was too high for the Wi-Fi, therefore the Wi-Fi can't actually download the videos onto my computer. It's a school bus, everyone. Anyway, so my the Wi-Fi can't actually download the videos because people. He's getting all the attention again. What a guy. So yeah, the Wi-Fi can't actually download the videos because the quality is too high and therefore it takes too long and it just crashes when I try to download it. So literally I'm having to redo every single video, take you around the house again, take you around, literally I have so many videos and it's actually annoying. So I do apologise for everything and it's why it has taken so long. But hopefully if this video works, which it might not even, then I can start pumping out videos more often. But yeah. Alright, so we're just turning up to our colony now where our house is. I'll show you around since I have to fucking do this again. It's literally the third time I've done it. It's actually such a joke. But here we are. We're getting there. Oh, this is our colony. Right. This is Chris. You haven't actually seen him yet.
Hello.
Yeah. Well, you have seen him, but you haven't because the videos aren't working. But that's a joke. That's our balcony up there. Look at how lovely that looks. Anyway. And here we go. This is our house. The state of that thing. Look at that monster. What a beast. What a beast. This is the colony. Some goats. Love to see them. Usually we get loads of kids coming out and running out there at school currently. And I actually start next Monday because they've got exams this week. So we would have started today, which is Monday, but we're not. So yeah, here's the house. Here's the bedroom. Oh, we've got Chris. You alright, Chris?
Hello.
Sick. Wooden bed, you love to see it. Shelves, all our stuff in it. Yeah, 2 windows. An industrial fan, yeah, quality. Anyway, moving on to the next room. We've got the, what the hell?
Yeah.
You alright, Chris?
Yeah.
The fuck? Anyway, I don't know what this is. You broke the bloody table. But yeah, this is like another spare room. Anyway, moving into the kitchen. We've got a little like thing here and then towels and hangers and stuff in it. Okay. Yeah, sick. Alright. This is the kitchen. We've got the gas stove. And then the mugs and like, fuck knows. I literally, they like, the people who were here last year, like Jack and Elliot, like what is this stuff? Who knows? Anyway. We've got the bathroom. Here we go. Little mat decorating doing. Window, love to see it. Anyway, we've got the, oh, what the fuck? Anyway, that was a bathroom. Yeah. Anyway, moving on to the balcony. Look at these lovely stairs. They look bloody safe. Having it. Got a little landing. It's not really done. And then finally we've got the balcony. Looks really good. Yeah. Oh, you out there? Yeah. Cool. Nice. It's the kids playing football. Love to see it. So, clap. Hope you like the house tour. It's what you need. Anyway, yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. Oh, fucking hell, mate. Like, comment, subscribe, yeah, them ones. Actually, to be fair, comment. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Comment what you want to see. Do you want to see like the school tour? Do you want to see like the kind of our walk? Like who knows? Just whatever you want to see in the next video, tell me, and I'll do it. Bang! Wi-Fi's finally up and working. Boom. So yeah. What else is there? Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave you with some bloopers. It's quite funny, very funny. Anyway, go. Let me go to the bathroom.
Oh, I think I cut that out.
That's right, I'll cut it out. Alright guys, so I know that ending bloopers was pretty shit. I just wanted to say, like, I would have put more in, and I would have put more into the video. However, the internet was really, the Wi-Fi was so bad today, and I just wanted to get a video out, because I promised people, and I know it's only going to be like 7 minutes max, or so like 6 minutes, it's going to be so shit. But hopefully in the next week I'll get a video out explaining my whole journey to where I am, and like kind of the stories, and I've got some clips of that, so hopefully it'll work. But for this video I'm